Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. And in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to upgrade your tire in the Patreon app. So let's get started. So first, you need to log in into the patreon.com on your web browser or on your iPhone browser. Basically, this does not work on the app. You have to log in on the web browser. So after logging on the web browser, here you can see Safari, and I have already logged in. It's showing me the insights of the memberships, earning, posts, and etc. Now what you need to do is click on the left top corner three lines. Click on those. After that, here you can see several options like my page, insights, payout, messages, notification, settings. So let me tell you one thing. In order to have these settings, you need to be a creator on the Patreon. And how to register on the Patreon, I have already explained in a video. You can check it out on my channel. So what you need to do is click on my page. After clicking on my page, let it load, and after it loads, here you can see several options like home, membership, about. Here you can add your profile photo, describe your page, your price, publish your page, tell people, etc. Now in order to upgrade your tire in the Patreon app, you just need to click on the membership app. So now here you can see choose what to offer, setup benefits. I will click on the setup benefits. Now after clicking on setup benefits, here it is telling me to customize a tier. Okay, I haven't created a tier, so I will create a tier with name Abhishek. Monthly price will be $5. Add a cover image, tier benefits. Okay, now if creating a new tier, I can add benefits, and this will help me upgrade my benefit option which I can give. Okay, now all patrons to try this tire for 7 days before charging the title. Okay, I will let them. Okay, now click on advance. Here you can see ask patron for shipping address, discord limit, etc. After this, I will save this. Okay, let me just I don't want to publish the page. Okay, I will click on this, save. Okay, it isn't letting me save. Preview page. Okay, it's been already done. Now I just want to save this. Okay, it's showing a glitch, but what you need to do is just click on the save. Then you will, next time when you log in, you will see an option to upgrade the tire. Then you have to click on it and you can upgrade the tire possible. Okay, this is how you upgrade a tire in the Patreon app and web browser. And I hope this video was helpful. Maybe this page was getting stuck, I don't know why, but I hope this was helpful. I will see you in the next one.